Find electrical maintenance training. Electrical maintenance is one of the essentials in taking care of your home. This could also be an opportunity for you to earn extra cash in case your neighborhood needs a handyman they could call. This could be your stay-at-home job. If you are also good at writing, there are employers looking for technical writers in the electrical maintenance field. However, working with electricity is something you would need to learn and be trained on. Self-study is good, but when dealing with something potentially dangerous, you should make sure you learn from the right sources. Learn by the book. There are books available at your local bookstore that provide step-by-step guides in basic electrical maintenance. While you won't probably learn to be a professional in the field overnight, books are a good resources if you are good at absorbing information. Just be sure you can practice the skills you learn in an actual setting. Use the web. Due to the available technology, there are websites that offer online courses in just about any field. These sites offer certification at the end of the course, which could be used as one of your credentials. Some online classes are flexible enough to accommodate your schedule if you have a full-time job or another business. The rates would depend on the types of services and courses you would take. Online courses provide different topics of study, so you could pick which classes you would attend. One way to find an online learning course is by keying in electrical maintenance training on your Google or any other search engine, and you would be surprised in the results it would generate. Be diligent in checking educational websites to get the best deal available. Check out their course outlines, to give you an idea of which course would best suit you. Online courses may be too easy for you, or too advanced. Don't hesitate to click on the Contact Us buttons available for you to be able to ask them your questions. Go to school. You might also be one of the people who still prefer face-to-face interaction. You can check some vocational schools in your area that provide short courses or trainings in electrical maintenance. This could take a couple of days or weeks depending on the depth of the knowledge you would want to have. Going for more formal studies would give you the advantage of both theoretical and hands-on learning on the subject. At the end of the course, they would give you a certificate, which would be your proof in finishing the classes and be equipped with the skills and training. Word of mouth. If you once again had problems with your electricity at home and call the electrician for help, you could casually ask him where he learned the tricks of the trade. This would be an avenue for you to be able to ask your questions. You could also get feedback that could not be indicated in brochures, pamphlets, and websites. And if you like the job he is doing, most probably you would be ending up as equipped as he is. Electrical maintenance may not be a piece of cake, but with a little help from the professionals, it would not take long to become a pro yourself.